Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lavar. Um, I'm Lavar, the tech guy, as the channel is called. This is actually my very first video. This is, I guess, my first video that I am really ever uploading. So, um, be kind. You can, yeah, I mean, if it's not clear, you can kind of tell it's my first video because I, obviously don't know what I'm doing. Hello. So I will be unboxing this case, obviously, as you can see. This is from Be Quiet. Yeah, I mean, that's all this really is, just an unboxing. Any information about it, any like full details about this information will be in the description. But with that out of the way, let's start the video. Let's see here. Let me zoom in. Okay. So, let me zoom out. Okay. So you can see the, oh, by the way, if you like Kirby and plushies, and commentary on plushies, you should check out the channel Licky_Kingdom. They're pretty awesome. If you have, yeah, check them out. All right. Anyways, okay. I need a knife. Let's see here. Okay, unboxing. Here we go. All right. So yeah, this is from Be Quiet. They make a lot of computer equipment, cases, fans. As I'm sure you know, if you're here, you know what Be Quiet is. I've had this case for a while now. The reason I'm unboxing this is because, one, it's part of a build that I plan on making, a Linux build. So I plan on pretty much migrating, documenting my entire process of pretty much moving from Windows to Linux. So this is just one video of, I'm hoping this can be like a series of videos. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe. Yeah. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't. But let's start with the unboxing of the case. This is the white case, and let's unbox. Okay. I've been actually building computers for a long time. Like, it's actually been a while since I've built a computer. But hey, maybe you'll learn something. Maybe I'll learn something. But maybe you'll pick something up from my videos. I'll go through how I do certain things. But right now, the main thing is just unboxing. For cases, I like to unbox my cases. Just open the top and lift up. Oh, cool. packaged pretty well. I like Be Quiet's like stuff. They make really good quality. I like their cases and their fans. Like, I've never used anything outside of that. Let's see here. So this will be unboxing and first impressions. I'll be using this with an ATX motherboard. As you can see, oh, you can't really see, but yeah, all this stuff up here. This is what I'm hoping will go in the build. If everything works out. And in terms of like just configuration, in terms of how I like see it, or how I want to see the build. Let's see. Let's take this out. Oh, user manual. Always read your user manual. Like it has good information. Information that you usually like miss. Or really, I should say information that you would look over. Just in terms of details. All right, here is the case. It looks really okay. Cool. It looks really nice. Let's see here. Not much to say right now. But I've used I like the top, or the mesh at the top. It's very, it's good quality, or it feels I don't want to say hefty. It feels good. Comes with these nice screws. I wish they were a bit like bigger, but it's not bad. I mean, I was able to take them off with my hand, so that's decent enough. And this is tempered glass. Put this here. So it's a pretty neat case. Comes with 3 fans. Oh, their quality. The manual is in color. Oh, cool. You don't see that. Huh. Or I mean, there's some. That's the only thing that. Yeah, there's some color. Or the color is just indicating. Oh, nice. Indicating things that can be removed. Oh, that's really cool. Let's see. I'm gonna check the back. Usually a lot of case manufacturers, they come with screws, and it does, in the hard drive bay. Cool. And it has an accessories box, which is pretty cool. One of the best case manufacturers that I've ever had the opportunity of building in was Fantex. Like, they make really good cases, really good quality cases. But zip ties, and just various screws, I mean, that's good. It's, it has the basics. But so far, I mean, it looks good. I'm looking forward afford to build in this case. It has good cable management. Yeah, and I'll see if it will meet my needs for my Linux build. I think for starters it will, because I don't plan on really doing much off the start. But so far, yeah, so far so good. Let me know what you think. I mean, if you have any questions about it, and I'll answer. Let me know if you even have this case. Like, what do you think about this case if you have it? Not really going into much detail about the case. I'm really just making a video, just to make a video, and to introduce my channel and like the series that I plan on doing. Let me know if you're even interested in watching me transitioning from really just slowly moving away from Windows to Linux. I know it's going to be a process. I mean, I've used Linux before, but I plan on truly moving my workflow over to Linux. But yeah, I mean, that's it for the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.